Hi, I'm Molly with Virtuoso Builders, and this is another edition of Behind the Drywall. So you might be wondering, where is Mike? Well, this time we are going to do a day in the life, and today is going to be in the day of the life of moi. And next month we'll do a day in the life with Mike. So you get a glimpse of what it really is like in our world. So this is not TV, this really is reality. So we hope you enjoy. Good morning. Time to make the donuts. This is morning routine. Mike has obviously woken up before I woke up here, and he's probably checked emails for the last hour and sent out emails, and here I go to get up and start my day. Every morning I usually have my energy drink, but I ran out, so I'm making coffee this morning. And then I get my morning hug from the cutest guy on the planet, Mike Sowery. While I'm drinking my coffee, then I go through the first round of emails of the day. Now I'm all dressed and ready to hit the day running. We are headed to a progress meeting right now. I'm at a red light, so I can look for, but we're headed to a progress meeting with a client of ours in the Dominion. The entire first floor remodel of this house, we finished with the exterior of the house in 2023, and now we're moving to the inside of the house. So we're gonna go over a few things, make a few decisions, and then we'll come right back here in 2 weeks, as we do every 2 weeks with clients face to face. And we love it. We like to see them face to face and make decisions, and being in person, you really get to know your clients a lot better that way. Go to our progress meetings. It's always Mike and I together, meeting the client, and we rarely are ever traveling together. That is him in front of us. So we're coming different directions all the time. And so after this meeting, he will go one way and I will go the other. We always form a great relationship with our clients, even their pets. Get to see each other too much during the day, so when we have a lunch like this, it's extra special. So a nice hug. Goodbye until later. All right, now I'm headed back to the office, and just gonna try to get a bunch of things done. We also just met for lunch, so that's always nice. We don't get to do that very often, so it's always fun when Mike and I get to meet for lunch, and then we go over things like what we just met with, who we met with, what we're talking about, and what is going on for the week ahead and the following week. So that would be, Mike and I have our weekly meeting, so that's really what we did at lunch. And the food was a bonus. Lock it because you get solicitations. I love it when there's checks on everything. Well, we have the Gen Z word of the week. Pressed, meaning pissed off, annoyed, and example would be, why are you so pressed? Anyway, I have to have chocolate after my lunch, so I'm multitasking. I know this part doesn't seem too exciting, but I have to get to the office, get back to my desk, check more emails, make phone calls, and keep the ship running.